The La House powder room is our wet floodproofing, or as a term that I use now, our flood hardy demonstration area. It shows solutions for existing homes that now flood, where when they were built they didn't flood. They may be on a slab and it's just too expensive to elevate them. It isn't practical. And so rather than deal with all the damage and the destruction and the ordeal of repeated floods, one strategy to reduce all that is to restore the home in a way that is flood hardy, where when the waters come back again, it does very little damage and essentially gives you what I call a wash and wear house. So this room demonstrates that concept along with our healthy home criteria. You can see in this cutaway that if the building structure and the framing system of a house on a slab uses solid wood studs and plywood sheathing rather than OSB or another composite material, you can insulate with a closed cell spray foam filling just part of the stud space. Then this part of the wall is wainscoting made of plywood, which is removable, and then we just painted it to look like wallpaper. The walls above it are the paperless drywall, which is a flood resistant material. So, and the flooring is a limestone vinyl composite tile, which looks like stone, which would be fine too, only this stays warm underfoot and it's not brittle, so you can drop things and it won't crack or break. In addition, the cabinetry is not built in. These are low VOC hardboard types of materials, but they're on feet and just trimmed up. So in the event of a flood, you can move the cabinets out without any structural issues, remove the wainscoting, flush out the muck, let it all ventilate and dry, and then put it all back and perhaps clean and repaint. Again, the wash and wear concept, where you would not have to gut, throw away materials, buy new materials, wait in line for everyone else, behind everyone else, and for contractors. So again, a wash and wear, clean and go type of restoration, but this concept can also be used for new construction. With the pedestal sink as well, fits in that concept. These fixtures are also very water efficient, and they have a special finish, a Santa Gloss finish, that makes them much more resistant to the growth of bacteria and other contaminants. And then the toilet is a very high performance, but a gravity fed, quiet type of toilet that rates very high on the rating systems. In addition to the high performance low flow toilet, we also have EPA WaterSense labeled faucet, single lever faucet, which is easy from a universal design standpoint to operate with one hand, but it is certified low flow with still a nice flow of water, but uses less water.